Okay, so I've added a few of the decorations in, as you can see on the shelving, on the table, um, in the corner over there, and the plant, a sort of wooden head thing, and then some decoration on the coffee table. I also want to add some curtains in now. So I thought instead of just doing this, I'd show you guys how I actually do it. It's a bit of a sort of a trick for beginners, I guess. Just go to the products library, go up to additional library volume 2 if you have this, and then find curtain, which will be under decoration. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. Now you'll see that okay, I'll just pop it in over there. Okay, so as you can see, it's one whole solid object. Okay, but what I want is to have curtains hanging on this side, on the left-hand side of the window, and on the right-hand side of the window. Now what I'm going to do is just select it using my selection tool. Right-click scale, tap spacebar so I get the little axis there working on the whole of the object. Then just scale it to the size I want. So I'm just going to take that across. Okay, click apply. Now obviously this curtain's way too big, and so now what I'm going to do is start scaling the individual sections. So click on surface selection there, and select the left hand side of the curtain. Scale will still be selected, and then just scale the curtain down to the size you want, so that's good. Do exactly the same for the right hand side. Put that over there. Select the two center ones, the flowers on, and then go to Object, Edit Surface, Delete. Click Yes. And that's good. I mean, we could also do things like scale this little curtain box thing up. I suppose we could do that. So I'll just apply and just scale the one at the back. Actually, the one at the back I'm going to get rid of, so I'm going to select that, go to Object, Edit Surface, Delete. Make that a little bit higher. Actually, I'm not too keen on that. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to delete that as well. So Edit Surface, Delete. Also going to get rid of the texture on the curtain. So I'm going to go to my texture library, and then just drag and drop something onto there. So you could do that for now. Doesn't look like I've got anything else here. And we also want some light to pass through this curtain. So we're going to go to the material editor again. We're going to select the fabric. By clicking on it, you'll see that it becomes highlighted over there, and you can see the name. And under transmit, we're going to put that at 0.5. Transmit basically allows light to pass through objects without making the object itself transparent. So we'll just leave it as it is. And actually, I'm going to get rid of this texture as well. I'm just going to make it white. So just select the texture tab, delete it, click OK, and just make this white. Okay, that's great. Now, I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side of the room. So once again, you could just copy that across, but just for this sort of tutorial, I will do it again. Pop it in, pop it onto the wall, scale it up, make sure Object Select is on. Okay, so we're just going to take this across to there. Looks perfect. Surface selection. Scale that down. Apply. Scale this side down. Apply. Select both of these. And to select multiple objects, just hold down Shift. Then go to Object, Edit Surface, Delete. Select the one at the back. Object, Edit Surface, Delete. And bring up your material editor by clicking on the little shortcut there. Select the curtain. Click on the color tab if it's not selected. Click on the texture button. Clear that. Click OK. And then just make this white. Okay, so that looks good. Oh yeah, and just remember to do the transmit. So there you go. So basically, it looks like we're done with the decorating of the sort of room here. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of this sort of light. Okay, and sorry I didn't actually tell you what I did there. I pressed F5 for object delete, which is the shortcut key. But to do it the correct way, or I guess the longer way, you just go object, edit object, delete, select the object, right click to confirm, click yes. Okay, so I think we're pretty much sorted here. Now we're going to go on to looking at our lighting. Okay, lighting is very easy. First of all, we're going to start off with these lights at the back. I'm going to bring up my light, clicking on the light icon, or by going to the lighting list and clicking edit light. You'll see that all the lights are now highlighted in red. We can then click a selection window around all of them and hold down shift to select the ones that you haven't got yet. And under here we're going to go to spotlight under type, and here you can adjust the wattage, so I could make it 45 watts if I wanted to. I could also go and change the color of the light. For now I'm just going to leave it as a standard white, and you can change the type of light bulb it is, electricity saving, fluorescent, and then also just change where exactly the light shines. So let's make that white, that's going to be 0, 0 and 1. And fall off basically controls how harsh this sort of light cone is on the wall here. So if we had that on 0, it would be very harsh. 1 kind of just smooths it out a bit. And direct calculate actually allows the light to display, that cone to display on the wall. Okay, so that's all good. Now we're going to go look at these lights above the TV. And we're going to just turn them into a special type of light called an IES light. So once again, bring up your light properties, select them, and under type, go down to IES. And if it's not highlighted the IES, if it hasn't highlighted the IES folder by default, you'll just find it in your C drive, under IntelliCAD T3, under VR, under IES, and we're going to go to the Spotlight folder and choose IES1. And that's basically all you have to do. Next, we're going to let some sunlight come in through these windows. So we're just going to go to light setting and create a new light by selecting the new light option there. Click on the window on the glass itself, hold down shift to select the one below it, right click, and then do exactly the same to the other window. So light setting, new light, hold down shift to select both of them, right click, and now I'm just going to edit the light properties here, select all of them, under type go to sunlight, and it looks like it's really shining into the room, which is quite good. If you wanted to, for instance, just change the direction in which this light shines, you can adjust the sliders. Okay, so the vertical and the horizontal. And always just make sure visible selected, and that will give you that sort of lighting effect on the floor. So I'm just going to go look at these lights at the back here. Select those, turn into sunlight. You don't need to worry about the direction in which these lights are shining, because it's a global sort of solution. So wherever one sort of sunlight window is shining, the others will also shine in that direction. Okay, we just have to remember to activate the sunlight. So you're going to go to sunlight or light setting, sunlight setting, click activate, and under sunlight factor, make that 0.2. It'll give you a nice soft sort of lighting on the floor, and you can give it some color if you wanted to. Otherwise, everything else is fine. I think that's pretty much it. Now we can go on to doing radiosity.